Let's discuss about the comparison of sole proprietorship and partnership business. In sole proprietorship, a single person owns the business. Here, two or more person in partnership. In sole proprietorship, the owner is single person who is known as sole proprietor. In partnership, they are individually known as partners. Here, minimum number is in sole proprietor 1. In partnership, it can be up to 2 minimum number of members. Here, maximum, if we talk, here is only 1 in sole proprietorship, and in partnership, it can be up to 100. Liability you can discuss. All the liabilities is of the sole proprietor. In case of loss, his personal property is attached to pay the debts of the business. In partnership, this liability is shared between the partners. Here, the total finance is of the sole proprietor, means less scope of raising capital. Here, scope is high in compare of sole proprietor. They can even admit a partner to raise their capital. Finance, here scope is limited, here scope is high. Decision, he is an individual person, he can take quick decision. Here there are partners, the decision can be delayed. Mutual agency, there is no need of any mutual agency. He is a single person. Here he need every partner should agree, because every partner is agent as well as principal. So they need the consent of all the partners. Sharing of profits. Here there is no sharing of profit. In partnership firm, the profit is shared in the agreed ratio. Here secrecy can be maintained. Here it is difficult to maintain the secrecy. Dishonesty of a partner can leak the secrets to the competitors. It's a negative point, demerits. Here, no specific law we need or any legal formality we need. In simple words I am telling you. In partnership you have to follow Indian Partnership Act 1932. So this is the comparison between sole proprietorship and partnership. Thank you very much. Enjoy yourself, my dear. Please do write, and I hope you are revising all the factors. May God bless you good health. Please pay my regards to your parents. God bless you all.